What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to buy the JTO, the Jito Network Token on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, click on the link in the description to get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step, we are logging into our accounts, and then you will arrive at this homepage. And as you can see, we have a search bar right on top, and we will click on that. Type in JTO, and there you can see the coin. We will select it for now, and then you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a chart over here, a price chart, and on the right side we have a trading option. Now we have three options: buy, sell and convert. For now we want to buy, so we will leave this on this. And we also have the option for a recurring buy. That basically means if you would like to buy this daily, weekly or monthly, you can set it up, and Coinbase automatically purchase a certain amount of this coin for you every certain time period. For now we will leave it on a one-time order because we just want to place one order. And now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this coin. Let's say 1000 euros. And as you can see, we are receiving this amount of coins for that amount of money. The next step is to select your payment method. My payment method is set on my credit card, but if you would like to change it, just click on it and select the preferred payment method. If your payment method you prefer is not here, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button. After that, select it, go back and click on Review Order. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money if you buy crypto on a weekly or monthly base. Like this order is already costing us 38 euros on fees. A transaction fee is basically a fee you are paying to Coinbase to make an order or create a trade or everything like that. And if you would like to save this amount of money yourself, then use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And after that it will cost 25 euros a month. So as you can see, only on this trade, it is already saving us 38 euros. So I already make profit on using the Coinbase One subscription. Definitely try it out. After you have decided to buy this coin, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!